Can you say happy birthday? What do you say? Say happy birthday.
Happy.
Whose birthday is it? Say it loud.
Pin.
Yay!
It's everybody.
A birthday party? You could have a birthday party?
Everybody.
Oh, a big party?
Yes.
Oh.
You don't have cake at your party?
I think your body.
Uh-huh. What else are you gonna have at your party?
I got a favorite.
Yeah, Daddy's breakfast is ready.
Yes.
Are you gonna have your friends?
Yes.
Are you gonna have Hayden? Are you gonna have Dell and
Funny.
Dean?
Then,
Dean, good boy.
Mom.
Are you gonna have toys? Yes.
Photo.
You wanna see it?
Yes.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Where's your toy right now? What toy did you get last night, Ben?
What did you get?
What did Uncle Brandon bring you?
A bigger.
Oh, look at that.
The yellow truck?
A yellow got a brown with a yellow got.
A yellow truck. Brandon gave you a yellow truck?
A brown with a yellow got.
Oh, yay. What did you say?
Please.
You said thank you? Good.
A brown with a gone.
Yeah.
Brandon is gone. Yeah, he had to go home. Yeah, that's okay.
Mommy, I go. Please.
You ready to get down?
Yes.
Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.